Alright, gang. What I'm doing is part unknown on this damn propane burner. I constructed my burner tubes, and I've watched several videos how different people done it, and I'm taking little pieces of each one and trying to make my own. I don't remember. I got an 1.5 by 3/4 by 1.25 by 3/4 reducer on the end of a piece of 3/4 inch pipe that's 8 inches long, maybe 10, 8, 8. And I got a bunch of fittings. Got some 45s. Got a little close nipple. Got some shit that's stuck together. I got some 1/4 inch by 3. Got some 1/4 inch caps that I've drilled a hole in. I think it's 3/64. Smallest one in their index. I have a 1/4 by 3/8 compress 3/8 1/4 by 3/8 pipe. Got a 3/8 by compression fitting. I'm gonna run a hose off of that, so I know that's my first piece. It goes in the line. I got some 1/4 by 3 inch. I think the other ones are 3.5. Got some 1/4 by 3 inch nipple. Yeah, 1/4 by 3. A little bit shorter. And I'm trying to remember how all this shit goes together. But anyway, I watched a couple guys. One guy said that you need some, you don't want to use thread sealant tape. You got to have this gas-proof, fuel gas-proof thread sealant pipe dope. This brand name is Rector Seal. I was just talking with a buddy of mine. He's getting ready to do his first colonoscopy, and he might need some of this tomorrow. Anyway, that's what we got. So, trying to figure how I want to put all this shit together. I think it's gonna go. This is very thick pipe seal. I think since I have them, I'm gonna use a 45. No. I think 45s were a mistake. So looking at it, I got this piece put together, and I'm thinking it's going to have to go inside there somewhere or another. But I don't know if that's far enough down in there. Probably getting. I think what I'm going to do is take a longer piece of pipe, this diameter, and weld on and make me a deal where I can sleeve that down and get it down in there a little further, and then have a baffle. I think that's long enough to adjust. Then I'm gonna have to have a piece of pipe that comes here to get me out longer, because this is gonna go straight in the top. I might need to look at some more ideas, but I'm thinking that's gonna have to be longer. Get that down inside there, and then have the damper. And piped up gets every fucking where. So anyway, let me watch some videos. Like, share, subscribe, comment. This is Mo Dammit, Tire Creek Iron Works out.